I just want to take a moment to talk about the ABS mode, which shows up down here on the bottom of the screen. Turn the ignition on. It goes through the startup procedure. Now there is an ABS light over here, but that ABS light only tells you that the computer system is initiating ABS, and as soon as the engine is running and you begin to move away, that light will disappear. In this corner there is an ABS light. It's not displayed because ABS is on. If you want to turn ABS off so that you can go into off-road mode, you hold this button in, it flashes for a moment, and then you are set into off-road mode. To turn it back onto ABS, anti-locking braking system, just tap that button one more time. Now you have to be stationary to do this. If you are in off-road mode and you turn the ignition off, when you turn the ignition back on, off-road mode will be gone. However, if you're in off-road mode and you stall the bike, or you drop the bike and you have to hit the kill switch to stop the engine, off-road mode will stay on during this time. No matter how many times you need to start the bike again, as long as you don't turn the ignition off, it will stay in off-road mode until you stop by the roadside and turn it off.